Hi. Today we are going to discuss about the electrostatic potential and also the electrostatic potential energy. Let me discuss something before this, that we know that the gravitational potential energy is nothing but the energy necessary to bring 1 kilogram of mass from infinity to the gravitational field. Suppose this is a gravitational field. For this field, if I want to bring a mass from one point to here, I have to do some force against this electrostatic field, or sorry, gravitational field. Now the same thing I am going to apply even for the charge. Suppose I am just bringing a charge plus q, and this plus q will exert the force around it according to the point, the gravitational field. This is a gravitational field where it will exert the gravitational field in all the direction. So now I am going to bring another one test charge. Usually the test charge will be very small. For my convenience, I am just going to take 1 coulomb. If I am bringing this test charge from infinity to this point, I have to do some work, because this is also the positive. So this is also positive. There will be a force of repulsion. So in order to overcome this repulsion, I have to do some work. So this work, it will be called electric potential. Usually we know that W will be the letter used to denote the work done. Work done in mechanics is equal to F dot dr, where F is a force and dr is the distance. Okay. Now here we are going to consider V is equal to W by Q, or W is equal to V into Q. So this is very important relation. W is equal to VQ. Right. Now let us discuss this one, electrostatic potential energy. Now we have the slide. Now we are going to do now we are going to discuss about this electrostatic potential energy. So from sorry wait right. So the electrostatic potential energy will give me the relation between the work done and the force on the electric charge. When a positive charge is brought near the another one positive charge, what will happen? So this is what I told you in this example. In this example I told you. Okay. Now so here once again I told you, this is a charge. Here another one charge is placing here. Now I am going to bringing this charge to here. So I have to do some work. According to the work done formula, W is equal to F dot dr. I told you. Since Coulomb force is conservative. Now what is conservative? We have already discussed. Conservative is independent of the path. A very good example is gravitational potential energy or gravitational force. Now Here even the electrostatic potential energy is also a conservative force. So now we can come to know the conclusion that delta U, usually U is the letter used to denote the energy. Yeah, we have already studied in 11th grade. F dot dr. Now F is nothing but the Coulomb. According to the formula E is equal to F by Q, I can simply write F is equal to Q into E. Now QE into dr, where dr is the distance. Okay, so this quantity delta U divided by Q will be called as electric potential difference between the 2 points. In other words, the electric potential difference is defined as the work done by an external force to bring unit positive charge from one point to another. So this is the definition. The electric potential at a point P is equal to the work done by an external force to bring a unit positive charge with a constant velocity from infinity to that point. Okay. Now it will be denoted as a symbol V upon P will be equal to E dot dr. Here the negative sign indicates the work done is against the electric field. Thank you.